So some folks have been asking me what I'm doing here. And this is actually a seed garden. So this okra right here, we let it go all the way to seed. And then we're able to take the seeds that we take out of heat. Here's basil for seed and uhaloa. And there's several other things in here. But let's look at these, like for instance, these extra big green okra. And then we're gonna come back over here to more of the red okra. And if you look really closely, you can actually see the seeds in it. So we're able to just break them apart, take the seeds, and now I'm gonna take the seeds and put them in the ground right here. And we'll keep you posted for when this starts to grow into some more okra. Just another little